Tickle time, tickle time, tickle time, wanna tickle time. Tickle time, tickle time. Hey, what's up? It's me, Bob Gamestead. Alright, listen. Today's video, we are going to be last alive in beach map. There's no really objective. I just wanted to do this to like give back to like content. Because like lately, I've been making like update videos and all that. So we're really doing this to get back into content. Is this thing a Fortnite emote, bro?
Yo, Monkey, come over here. No. Thank you, bro. No. Thank you. No. No.
I just like mute him.
Thank you, bro. I got great.
Guys! Alright, we here.
Yo, let's just start. There's my head just about to die. No. No. Go. I messed up.
You can't eat. No, I'm
Let me get him right there.
Back out again, yo. I win.
Had to get you, man. Had to get you. I just jumped head first into that kid. Oh, crap.
No. Yes.
What the? I'm so safe. I'm so safe. No one can kill me. So cute.
Alright, stop right there. Where's the last guy at?
I'm totally
Whatever. No.
Oh, I see him. He is literally... Alright, go. Go. Last alive in this back. Let's go. Alright. Just look at the camera. Alright, so we're up here now. He's tagged. He's tagged right there. There's a big cluster right over there. So it's more like, how long are we gonna be alive? He's the only one tagged. But we're gonna really see if Someone just got tagged.
Get up there.
He's tagged over there.
Ladder?
He's in the entrance. He got tagged.
Yeah, go.
But
Look at it.
I don't know if we're gonna sit here or not. Let's go swing all the way over there. What the? Yo, you black.
How does that use?
No, you're so weird. Stop grabbing the ropes.
You have a coconut on your head.
You're not a real coconut. Here I come.
Woo!
Where am I going?
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Why look like
What is he doing? What
Okay,
is he doing?
now to get you to Sharky, you
Dude,
need to go
how
up
can
here.
the other coconut not even grab it?
Only shark. We need to go up.
Me and black. Last one's left.
I'll click in my head.
He said, shoot. I'm not jumping.
Aw, you mad?
Okay, wait, hold on. Before you do that, I will give you
Okay, let me get
10,000
on
shiny rocks if you tag black before me. Tag black before me. I'll give you shiny rocks, please. I will give you a shiny rock gift card. Just tag him before me. Oh, crap. Oh, ah! I'm so close. Dang it. And black's still alive.
I'm gone. In my very first. Oh, there he is.
How did I not tag?
I'm drowning. I can't swim. My monkey not swim. He made his bed. I can't swim.
He's on the run. He's on the run. Good cutoff, man. Good cutoff.
Swim me with your hands. I can't swim. Why am I not swimming? I know how to swim. Okay, now if you need to make friends with the shark, you need to park.
You're trash and use no cosmetics. Hold on, let me change my color. Let me change my color.
It will kill you. I don't think I
color.
Listen, we're here now. I'm trying to stay
No.
alive as long as I can.
No, I'm floating away.
It's been 8 minutes. 9 minutes now.
Oh.
Trying to see how long I can stay alive before David's to find me.
You're black.
No.
You're adopted.
Am I? Oh, the shark's right there. No, not back.
I gotta keep my hands here for as long as I can.
I'm swimming away.
I don't know how long I have left to live.
I see my next water balloon. Right here. I have water balloons.
You need to calm down. Oh, imagine getting tagged coconut. Imagine. Coconut, imagine.
Oh my.
Yeah, that's bad. What do you want? The only way to tag me is by one of my back in the tree.
Nice job getting the zip line.
It's been 10 minutes and I still haven't.
You did not know how scary that was.
Hello there, Russian hats.
No. That's my next target. Cyan blue.
Who's last alive?
No, I hit my head. Cyan.
Cyan's the last person left.
Get over there. Yup, Cyan's the only one left.
Alright, we gotta find him.
I'm learning how to swim. I'm learning how to swim. Like wherever you go to, where you come from here, that's where I want to go.
Hey, wait a minute, I'm gonna kill you. The second I said that, they're freaking out.
Son of a...
I'm gonna kill you.
Son of a scallywagon! Bastard, little
I'm gonna
bastard.
kill you.
Little
You're gonna
bastards.
die
Little
tonight.
bastard.
You're gonna feel the feeling of death.
No, I'm not. No, I'm not. Dang it.
Let's go.
I'm last alive, y'all.
Oh.
I completed the video.
Where do you go? I'm hiding in the water.
Dang it. I got tagged again. But that's the video. To the guy who made the thumbnail, thank you. 5 tags before we lose. Let's go.
I'm hiding.
Oh, fuck. Well, too bad here. We are stuck.
1.
This is not where's the other coconut.
Oh, I can't.
No one will know where I am.
You're safe for now. I'll let you go.
I'm hiding in the water.
I'm on you.
I'm in the deep ocean water. I'm gonna die.
3 tags.
It gets so tired. It's getting so cold on this.
Well, we're in the video.
Oh my god, why so serious, bro? Why so serious? I don't always get stuck on this. Fight, come on.
Pause this for a little bit so you can't instantly.
Hey, I know you. Dude, the guy with 25. Fight. And there you go. Where happened?
New goal. Tag black. This is my rope. No! Yes! Alright, video over. We got tag black.